my egg. It's trying to hatch. You'll see it roll if you wait long enough. It's cracked all around. I wonder if it's going to happen while I got this on. Oh, I could just set it here. No, it doesn't right angle.
There it
Oh
goes.
my god. Oh my god, I got this on film. Unbelievable.
Come on.
This is it. Alright, scoot up, Cody. You're hurting
I'm
the
looking
lighting.
through the
I
hole.
know, but you're hurting the lighting of the film.
In the way.
Come on, Tiki, you can do it.
She's tired.
Oh my god.
She did it.
Stop, Bob.
Don't do that.
Don't freak it out.
She looks ugly.
I will try. Come on, Tick, you're almost there. Unbelievable. I can't believe I happened to get the camera to get it. Oh my
It's
god.
a chicken. Let's make sure
Come
it's formed correctly.
Oh, hush.
I see her head in there. She's tired.
She's a baby Tiki.
She's looking at me, but she's just real tired. She looks like an alien from, Aliens.
Yeah.
Eyes just closed. She's real tired.
You can see it through here really good now, Cody.
Oh, I got a better view.
Yeah. Come on, Tick. I can't believe it. We got a trick.
Well, I want to make sure it's completely formed correctly.
Well,
She's real tired. That's real stressful on them.
yeah. Just pull your head out. You're almost there. Here's its foot right there. Its wing.
Yeah?
Oh,
That's amazing.
breathe. What's it doing?
If you look at
Do I
it,
need to pull it off at this point? Can't see the head. I can't get to that angle.
looking at it, I can't. Yeah, you can.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the film off.
I could.
I think it's just gonna rest now.
Yeah, but I
You
got
think we should-
bifocals. They said we
Yeah.
could help in the aiding process at this point.
Oh, there it is. Come on. Oh, I see its head. The beak can breathe. Its beak is right there.
It is formed good.
Alright.
She's looking at me.
Hi. Chirp, chirp, chirp.
That's exciting.
Hi there.
We got the whole thing on film, too. It'll be fine. You can still see it. YouTube can correct it. Alright, I'm gonna turn the film off. You all
Wow.
see pictures later. There's my old babies outside. Second time, I went yesterday. Let's see, the first one I hatched was this one, it's unnamed. There's this one, second one. We got this one third, and that one fourth. And here they are outside. Their parents are over there. I might get one out, but yeah, here they are. And they're just being chirpers. And they're liking it, and they're in the sun and everything. They're frolicking out here. They're having fun. They're learning how to forage. They're picking up the grass. Gave them some of this poultry right here. Little rocks for them to eat. Because they're already trying to eat the grass. And we got 2 weeks to do it, only 1 week, but they're already trying to forage, so it's on the ground if they want to eat some. Yeah, they're just being beautiful chickies. Come over this way. Hey, chicks. One of them found a bundle of grass and was running around all over with it. And they're all fighting over it. Oh, what are you doing? Quick, quick. Alright. Come on, chicks. Can you follow? Maybe not. Come on, chickies. No, they're too interested in forage. The outdoor chicken kitchen. Yeah, they're very quicker than the ropes out here. Let's see exactly what they're pecking at. I don't know. Pecking order trying to form. Oh, look at that. Jumped on me. Oh, hey. Did you trying to eat the carpet? What you gonna do? Are you gonna jump? I kind of got a cool angle here. So still high, another one in the background. Well, they moved away now, but... What you gonna do, Birdie? That was, I think, the second one born. Oh, don't poopy. I hope you don't poopy.
Wow.
Whoa. You got some... Whoa! Look at them. They're just so hyperactive. Scoot back and keep them on the screen. Playing, they don't get much time out of the box where they can run like this, so we're letting them run, and they're gonna be fine birds, it looks like. That's because they're the babies of the great birds they have now. I knew that would be the better option than trying to buy new ones. Yep. Do some hyperactive stuff. Jump up! Alright. Alright, I gotta turn it off. I'm at over a minute and won't be able to upload it if it's too long. My old babies. It's kind of a rainy day a bit, but they wanted to go out and run, so here they are. They're getting bigger and more feathered. Chirp, chirp! Come on, you zoom out. Hear that? The adults over here are mad. Roosty! Why are you so mad over there? The two roosters. They're babies. They don't even know. Come on. They're all by my feet climbing on it because they see me as their parent instead. Right, hold on. I'm going to move my feet. Chirp, chirp! Alright. End video. Now here's my babies and they're hanging out with their parents. Oh, Doodle. Now you all be nice to them. They'll be living with you when they're bigger. No pecking order. No, staring it down. Hey, hey, da, 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 da. Bad. Now they gotta kind of learn the challenge. That one was staring it down like I'm the king. She's not used to having other babies around. Are you all okay? They just peck, you know, they're not trying to hurt each other really. They're just like, you know, pecking order. How are you, baby? Oh, you took poopy. No, it's still a little chilly. They're still getting their feathers. Supposed to get warm weather next week. But they want to go out for a bit. They're so ready to exercise. Here, let's get to the way where we can see everyone again. And we're missing a few chicks. Now, you be nice, Flat Crown. Don't be mean to my babies. Pretty soon they'll join you all. and you'll be a bigger flock. You're to replace the chickens that died. And you two roosters, you're the daddies of these babies. You're the daddies that you don't care because you're big birds that just hit up every chick. Oh, don't call the alarm. They're just being dumpy. Oh, you're on the snow. I bet that's cold. Where's my little black one? That's my new cockerel. Woo! They know who's raising them, though. Oh, they're growing up so fast. They want to always pick at the carpet downstairs, but now they got grass to pick. I haven't been able to come out a while because my brother's been dumb. I'm going to walk away a bit. Oh. There's Doodle, and there's my Roosty. Will you do your dance, Roosty, if I come at you? Do it. Do your dance. Your camera's on. Do it. Come on, Roosty. Do your dance. He's not doing it? No. No. Well, Flat Crown did pecked at one of them when it challenged her face to face. Anyway, end the video.